What makes commercial cleaning essential? Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. In a way, commercial cleaning services help your business grow. Think of cleaning as a necessary step towards employee empowerment and productivity booster. Without proper office cleaning, germs and bacteria could linger on surfaces, creating health problems for everyone. Cleaning is undoubtedly a crucial factor in company operations when the nature of your business deals with food production and management. Here are some of the reasons why commercial cleaning is a must for your business. 1. Your business saves time. It's only a matter of time before your office building needs to be cleaned from top to bottom. You could either hire a commercial cleaning company or form in-house cleaners. By hiring commercial cleaning services, you will have the best of both worlds. Your workplace will be cleaned and your employees have more time to focus on important tasks. Overall, commercial cleaning services will save you time and money. 2. Your business saves money. In the long run, your business will save money by hiring professional cleaning services. In-house cleaning means purchasing cleaning materials and equipment. Such an effort will give you 24/7 access to a cleaning crew, but such an operation is expensive to maintain. On the other hand, hiring a commercial cleaning contractor will save you money since you don't have to worry about all the maintenance. 3. Customers and employees are kept safe. One of the top priorities when running a business is the safety of customers and employees. If your business deals with food and similar goods, you need a clean workplace. Germs, bacteria, and viruses thrive in dirty environments. Keeping your workplace spotless will lessen the risk of customer and employee health scares. 4. Employee productivity is improved. Employees work better if they are in an environment conducive to productivity. Less clutter means better employee performance. Commercial cleaning makes it possible for employees to reach their full potential. If you need a professional and reliable commercial cleaning company, be sure to check out FastKlean, professional cleaning company. 5. Cleaner air means healthier employees. Stale indoor air is a major health risk. Poor indoor air quality affects employee health, putting them at risk of respiratory problems, colds, coughs, skin irritation, eye irritations, and more. In some cases, poor indoor air conditions are linked to cancer. Any commercial space must have proper maintenance and cleaning. For businesses running a major operation, hiring hundreds of employees, commercial cleaning is vital. 6. A clean work environment makes for a good first impression. It's common to think those first impressions last, and they do. The first time a customer enters your building, they create this lasting first impression about your business. A well-kept environment means you are serious about running your business, and that you care for customers. 7. Commercial cleaning can lead to business longevity. Office space maintenance through regular cleaning keeps the business alive for the longest time possible. The simple truth is that your office needs regular cleaning to keep it in top shape. Without proper cleaning and maintenance, your workplace will become cluttered and not fit for operations. If you own or run a business, you probably have an idea about the importance of commercial cleaning. There are different approaches to cleaning a commercial space. However, the best solution is to hire professional cleaners to do the job. An industry expert, like FastKlean, professional cleaning company, can take care of numerous cleaning requirements inside any commercial establishment. Hiring cleaning services will save you time and money. It will also allow your business to thrive. If you need help cleaning your building, you can count on FastKlean, professional cleaning company. Give us a call today. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comments.